Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please start sending the answers in chat. Rate constant does not depend on dash. This is based on previous class. Okay. So if you look at your notes, flip a few pages, you will get the answer. Oh, by the way, you must have got शादी का कार्ड आया आप लोगों का सीबीएसई की तरफ से मिला आप लोगों को?
यस सर।
कब है केमिस्ट्री के साथ?
पता नहीं।
पता नहीं. So Amalia, what I'm saying is that you all have got timetable, right? For the exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when is chemistry? Nobody knows. Amalia and Abir, you are right with for the question number 1 answer.
14 December.
Yeah, very good. 14th December. No. So we have got time. And one thing I was thinking about revision, I was thinking that I never took any revision class for any batch. I mean, for a very small experience that I have in teaching, I never took. So I was like, why these students are asking for revision? You will revise yourself, okay? You have notes, you have lectures, you have everything. If you have doubts, then you will tell me. I won't take any revision classes, okay? You have notes, you have recorded lessons, you have NCERT. All the resources, you already have it, okay? And it's not that we have not taught you. I have also taught everything. Now, when you're doing the NCERT, just solve the NCERT. Don't do anything else. Just solve the NCERT. Now, if you're solving the NCERT, as Mariam correct, Nazira correct. If you're solving the NCERT and you're facing some problems, read that portion from the chapter. And if you don't understand that, then please ask me, okay? Got it? Abir, Amalia, Mariam, Nazira.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yeah. There is no sense of revision. Yeah, 8th standard, 10th standard, it's not this. 8th, 10th standard, okay? That, sir, revision अब चालू करते हैं, sir. November आ गया now. In 8th standard, my teacher used to end the syllabus around math teacher, usually math teacher. He used to end the syllabus by November only. In March, we had examination. He used to end in November till 8th standard. Then from November, again chapter 2. So we will not have that type of business. You will revise on yourself. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you will ask me. Okay. Now let us get to the next question. Write the answer in chat. Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed. How are you?
Walaikum salam, sir. I'm good. How about you?
I am also good. Thank you. तो आपको कार्ड मिला शादी का?
Whose marriage?
है ना, केमिस्ट्री का सबका मिला होगा, मैथ का, फिजिक्स का. सीबीएसई ने तो जारी किया है अभी. आपको
You
मिला?
mean, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the date sheet. Did you
Yeah,
receive
so
that?
we got it. Yeah, yesterday. only.
Yeah, yesterday only. So when is chemistry? Do you remember? Did you check it?
No, sir, I did not go through it.
So you did not go.
All I know is on 3rd, from like my exams will be starting from 3rd December.
Okay, your exams will be starting from 3rd. So how many chapters are left? Oh, coordination compounds is also there, no? And when it is going to end? The last exam is on. I have to see that. No?
18 for me. Bio.
Say 18th.
18th?
I mean, it will be more than 18 for me. Then.
Why?
And computer science is at the last, like second last.
It is a minor
It is
paper,
on
no?
21st.
It's on 21st.
Yeah.
Yeah. So And your December, no? On 3rd is the first paper. On Friday, the first paper is on Friday.
Yes.
Okay. Now Middle East people would have got all crazy. Friday you have holidays, no? But
Yeah,
on
chemistry is
exam,
on 14th.
Friday and Saturday holidays.
yeah, but in exam season you will have just on Sundays, I guess, holiday. So from 3 to 21, you will not have any classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Or should I take class in between also?
No, no, no.
No, no?
Board
Yeah,
exam.
board exam, exactly.
Chemistry is
bhai.
on 16. No, 14.
14. Chemistry
Yes,
is on
sir.
14. Now, if I will ask you a question that is slightly different than what is there in notes, then you will not apply your mind or what? Huh? Rate of reaction. This is easy question, such a easy question. Okay. Please look. Rate, what is the rate law? Rate is equal to K into the concentration of A. Okay. And whatever the, so rate is dependent on rate constant. Rate is also dependent on the concentration to the power, let us say X. If I write order, it is also dependent on the order, right? So rate is dependent on all of these things. Now K is dependent on temperature. K is dependent on the nature of reactant. K is dependent on catalyst. Now, indirectly speaking, rate is dependent on all of these things. Rate is also dependent on temperature, nature of reactant, catalyst, order, concentration of reaction, everything. So none of the above is the right answer. Haha. You think, Ahmed, I didn't see that? What you did there? Fair.
Yes, of course you saw that, but that was for my satisfaction.
Yeah, okay. So Amalya, Abir, Mariam, Nazara, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please remember that this equation is your main equation, this equation, and then you have the other equation now. Rate is equal to D into the concentration of, let us say, minus dt. Okay. So this is rate law, which is determined only after doing a reaction. And this is also determined only after doing a reaction, right? We cannot determine the change in the concentration if you didn't start the reaction. There will be some time spent in the reaction, then only we can determine the rate, right? And here we can determine the initial rate, because whatever concentration we are putting here, that is the initial concentration, and that is why the initial rate will be determined by the rate law. Instantaneous rate equation can be determined if I complete the whole reaction, then plot a graph of reactant going down, then I take the tangent, that will determine the instantaneous rate. If you want an average rate for a period of time, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on, then you can use this. R is equal to change in the concentration minus into change the concentration of reactant divided by change in time. Okay. So Ahmed, you also didn't do the question, right?
No, sir. I didn't.
Homework. Forgot? You also forget?
Sir, I did not actually know.
You did not have?
I did not actually know about that.
Why? You were in the last lecture, no? You were not in the last lecture.
I was,
So what happened?
or maybe not.
Or maybe not. Okay. Are you inspired by Gajni? Huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Molecularity of reaction. Molecularity of reaction. Okay. So what is molecularity of reaction? This is a very simple definition. Okay. This is a very simple definition. It is number of molecules. Please write it through. Number of molecules. Now, when
So
you
this
are
is
having,
the revision, right?
no, this is not revision. No revision. This is not class 10th. I told you have notes. Do you have notes, Ahmed?
Yes.
Do you have recorded sessions?
No.
You don't have recorded session. You have all the recorded session. If you ask Nishkar sir, we'll send it to you. Okay. Now the next thing is that, do you have NCERT textbook? Ahmed?
Yes, sir, but it is in school.
So that is your problem. That's not my problem. Generalize बात करेंगे ना यहाँ पे. I mean, I'm talking as a student, not because you are Ahmed and you have kept that book in the school. So bring it home. Can you solve some questions? And what questions? Maria, इन लोगों को कोई काम नहीं करना अपने से.
Sir, if no revision, then we will revise and come, and then we will solve questions with you in class.
No. You revise questions on your own. If you have any doubts, then tell me.
Sir, do you think OSWAL question papers are good? Yeah.
Oswald?
OSWAL question bank.
Oswald question bank. Is it for the 2021 pattern? I think exam
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah. No. OSWAL. They have made one this, okay, like for 2021, this batch one, okay, like all questions are MCQs in that.
Yeah.
For the first term.
Oswald, that cartoon, I mean, the spelling is the same or it is OSWALD?
Let me check for 1 minute.
So it is Oswal.
OSWAL is the normal. OSWALL.
Okay. MCQ. Exam idea, I have seen exam idea is fine. MCQ.
Shall forward this?
No, let me check. I can check this. Okay, WAL Oswald.
Yes, sir.
I will have a look and I can tell you on Saturday. Okay.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Okay, will it be fine if I give you questions from Oswald that you have to solve? No, I won't even do that. आप लोग खुद से पढ़िए तो. No.
No,
You
so we
guys are-
will
you
also
guys-
study. You
you
can
guys-
also give us some questions and see if we have studied or.
I will start giving you questions only if you come to me with doubts.
So anyways, we'll be preparing for our model exam, so we will actually be
exactly.
studying this time, so we cannot skip. So maybe you can just give us some questions and then just see if we can do them or not. We'll also come with our doubts.
So come with your doubts now. First of all, I have to see. I am to putting in efforts and I have taught you. So now let me see if you are putting efforts or not. If you will bring the questions, then you are putting effort, then I will put more efforts. Obviously, teacher has to put more effort than students. Now I am putting effort, then you start putting some effort, then I will put more effort on you. है ना? Good deal, Ahmed? Okay, timetable भी चाहिए इनको, है ना? एक कहावत है हिंदुस्तान में, भोज के दिन घिया रोपने से कुछ नहीं होता है. Does anyone understand this? भोज के दिन घिया रोपना? Number of molecule or atoms.
So Bhoj means?
Bhoj means feast.
And Diya means?
Diya not Ghiya. Ghiya means Torai. Torai love. I mean, no, Lauki. Kaddu Lauki, whatever you say. You don't know Lauki?
Yes,
What
sir.
do
We
I
know.
Bottle gourd, na? What do you say that in English? So if you bow the seeds of bottle gourd on the day of feast, you won't have anything for the feast. Okay. Ahmed is asking for timetable now. Number of molecule or atoms or ions.
No, sir. I just said that since we have a few more classes before our exams,
An elementary.
so maybe we can just generalize the timetable, and then on that particular day we can do the revision of that particular chapter. Like we come with our doubts. Also, you can teach us some important questions, like which you feel is important from exam perspective.
Exam perspective. Anything can come now. How I will never say like this exam perspective. It was obviously, now it is MCQ. Now it is more tough because MCQ NCERT can. CBSE can pick up one line from NCERT and they can ask. So nothing is like important. 10th standard है क्या यहाँ पे? If there were questions, for example, subjective type, then I can say, yeah, this question can come in 5 marks, so please practice this, isko chhod ke mat jana. But now in MCQ, how can I say which question will come? Everything is important. Now, one more thing is that everything will come from your notes only. Okay. So if you study the notes, that will be fine. So now see, for example, this question, is this question not from notes? This is question from notes. You have to apply some mind also. Okay. You have to apply some. I cannot give you 20 questions like this and यही आएगा exam में बस इसी को पढ़ के चले जाओ. I will never give that.
No,
See.
sir, no. I mean, like a simple question.
I understand what you mean. You don't have to explain. I know. I understand what you mean.
Yes, sir.
So write this molecularity of reaction. It is a simple definition, right? So now this is a new term here, elementary reaction. Okay, elementary reaction. For example, if I say that A plus B gives C, and this is an elementary reaction, then the molecularity will be. So there are how many molecules or atoms are colliding in an elementary reaction? This is an elementary reaction to form products. 2 molecules are colliding, one molecule of A and the other molecule of B. Okay. It's a simple idea about molecularity of reaction, but this is a new definition, elementary reaction. We will study what is this elementary reaction and can there be any other type of reaction also other than elementary reaction. First write this. You can also define as that number of molecule, atoms, or ions colliding to form products. Please write this first. Are you guys going to school?
It is off now.
It is off. Till when?
Like we
No,
had
now we are
weekly
going
2 days.
online.
We had weekly 2 days classes, and from next week we'll be writing our model exams, so they will not be any school classes
Okay, that's good then.
until we finish our exam.
Okay, so okay, from now on you won't have any other classes in school.
We have classes, but virtual.
Okay, you don't have to go to school now. Mariam was saying something different.
Now we have
Yes, Mariam.
classes online till this
Okay.
Sunday, and then
Okay.
this Saturday our model is starting. So after
Okay.
our models are over, we will go only Sunday, Monday to school, and the rest will be virtual.
Okay. So when is the model ending?
It's ending, I think, 2nd. Yeah.
Second?
Yeah.
Second what?
2nd of November.
Next month. Yeah, November.
2nd November. Okay. Second. 1st November, Nazira. Okay, fine. Are there not much days then? Okay. Are you done with this slide? Tell me number of molecule atoms. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now types of reaction. Okay. Please listen. Don't write anything. Types of reaction. There are 2 types of reaction. If I talk about the collision, or if you now remember that in SN1 and SN2, now there can be 2 types of reaction. Some reaction which are completed in a single step. There are some reaction which are completed in more than 1 step, right? So there are 2 types of reaction. Those are single step reaction. Some are single step reaction, and some are multi-step reaction. So all those reactions which are single step. Now, any reaction which is happening single step, okay, any reaction which is happening single step. Now, for example, if I say you have a benzene ring like this, and you have a CH2 group here, and then you have, let us say, iodine like this. Okay. Now, if I say that this iodine is getting removed, it is leaving the substrate, and this is now CH2 positive. Now tell me, this is a reaction, right? Yes or no? This is a reaction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is a reaction. Now, this is also an elementary reaction. Okay, this is also an elementary reaction. So all of these elementary reaction, whatever if I say in single step, all of anything which is happening in single step is elementary. Okay, anything which is happening in single step is elementary reaction. Okay, anything which is happening in single step is elementary reaction. They are known as elementary reaction. Multi-step reaction, these are known as complex reaction. Right. So elementary step reaction, the product will be formed in one step. Product is formed in one step. What is happening in complex reaction? Product is formed.
In more than one step.
Yeah, product is formed in more than one step. Okay. Now, in more than one step, let us say, for example, 2 step, 3 step. Now, each of those steps are elementary reactions. Please remember that each of those steps are elementary steps. Okay. Each of those steps are elementary step. Now, if you want some examples, so let us say you have NH4, NO2. Tell me what will be the product if I heat this. P block, formation of nitrogen. Array ammonia salt. Now, whenever you have ammonia salt, two of the things are very nitrogen and water, right? Ammonium salt. Whenever you have, yeah, plus H2O.
2H2.
Yeah, 2H2O. Okay. Now, in this, what is the molecularity? 1, right? Because only one reactant, one molecule of this reactant, ammonium nitrate, it is reacting and it is decomposing itself to nitrogen and water. Now, these type of reaction are known as unimolecular. Now, if you have something, let us say 2HI getting decomposed into H2 plus I2. So what is the molecularity here, Mariam? What is the molecularity here in the second reaction? Others can answer in chat. Mariam, you answer. Okay, yes, Amalia, correct. Mariam, correct. So see, Abir, 2 molecules of HI are reacting now. 2 molecules of HI are reacting, even though the species is 1, but we require 2 molecules of that species. The species is 1, that is HI, but we require 2 molecules of that species, which is HI, right? So 2 molecules, so we have to look at the molecularity. Okay, so molecularity is 2. These type of reaction are known as bimolecular. Bimolecular. Why is Fatima late? Mariam, do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Fatima.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
I hope you are fine. Are you fine? Are you well?
Yeah, I'm good.
You forgot about the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you go with Abir and get some almonds, okay? Usko bhi yaad nahi rehta kuch bhi. Get some almonds. You know almonds?
No.
You don't know almonds? Arey bhai sahab. Hum kis duniya mein chal-
Nut.
Yeah, badam. Exactly,
Yeah,
correct,
okay.
badam.
Okay.
So we are learning half 1 घंटा का class, उसमें आधा घंटा late. Very good. Now, these are a bimolecular reaction. Now you can have also termolecular reaction, but those termolecular reactions are very they are very rare. Okay, they are very rare. So you can write an example. this nitrous oxide plus O2. This will form 2NO2. 2NO2. Now here the molecularity is how much? How many molecules are reacting? Please somebody answer in chat. How many molecules are reacting? How many molecules are colliding? Yeah, Amalya, correct. Fatima, two species are, okay, Fatima, can you please unmute?
Yes, sir.
So you must have saw like this, na? NO is reacting with O2.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but these are two species. How many molecules are needed? Two molecules of NO and one molecule of O2. Yes,
Yeah.
that will make a total of 3. 4 nahi bhai, 3 na? Atoms, not atoms, molecules. Two
Okay.
molecules. See the stoichiometry, yeah? According to stoichiometry, you will get the answer. Now, if the molecule, if the molecularity is 3, we say it is termolecular. We say it as termolecular. Now, these are all about, this is all about if you have an elementary reaction. Now, let us say you don't have an elementary reaction, you have a complex reaction. One of the example for complex reaction is 2H2, O2, it decomposes into 2H2O plus O2. Now, when we see this, apparently it seems like it is a bimolecular reaction, but this is not a bimolecular reaction, but because it does not happen in one step, it happens in 3 steps. So if then we have to look at the mechanism, Now, if you look at the mechanism, now what does mechanism say? Mechanism says that H2O2, it first decomposes into H2O and a oxygen atom. Okay, and an oxygen atom. Then the next thing that happens is once more H2O2, it decomposes into H2O and a nascent oxygen. After this is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. These two steps are same only. And in the second step, you can say that what is happening here? Two nascent oxygens. These are combining and they are forming O2. Now, if I want to write a complete balanced reaction, then how can we write this? So from here, see, these can be cancelled, right? O's are here also. Right, these can be cancelled. And what else can be cancelled? Nothing can be cancelled. Then you write H2O2. How many H2O2? 2 H2O2 gives 2 H2O plus O2, right? So this is the complete mechanism. Now, if I look at the mechanism here and I say what is the molecularity of the first step, it is 1, right? The molecularity is 1. What about the second step? Molecularity is again 1. What is the third step? The molecularity is again 1. So please write this. Then we will look at one more bimolecular not bimolecular reaction, a unimolecular reaction. That will be a complex reaction. Okay, we will look at a complex reaction whose molecularity is 1, and how that is 1, how the rate depends. We will take that example from the haloalkane chapter. Please understand this. This is conceptual. Okay, you don't need any calculation in this part of chemical kinetics. And this is one of the favorite questions for NEET also. They ask questions from here because this is completely conceptual. Okay. And these two statements, these are very important. Each of those steps are elementary. Now this step is elementary, this step is elementary, and this step is elementary. Are you done? Let me know if you're done, guys.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed is done. What about others? Mariam, Nazira, Abir, okay. Now we will look at a reaction from the chapter haloalkane haloarine, which we have studied already, right? Which we have already studied. So, for example, see, the question is determine the rate law for the following reaction. Okay, determine the rate law for the following reaction. They have given you a reaction in which we have the same reaction that we started with, iodine plus let us say aqueous KOH. And we know the product will be, there will be a nucleophilic substitution happening place. Here we will have a benzene. देखिए रिवीजन हो रहा है आप लोगों का, है कि नहीं? रिवीजन हो रहा है आप लोगों का. Here you will get OH
Yes, sir.
plus you will
And
get
Ki.
KCl. Yeah, you will get Ki.
KCl.
Yeah, Ki. Sorry, yeah, I thought we have to. Now we know that because this is benzene, and we will get a stable intermediate here. This will not happen in one step. This will happen in two steps, right? So mechanism will be what? If I look at mechanism, so step one. Step one will be here you will get a CH2. Okay, let me write the you first. Iodine. भाई साहब फातिमा ने तो फातिमा आप पढ़ लीजिए प्लीज कंसिडर sir it would be great if we could revise MCQs of chapters as this time we have MCQs alone.
So everyone is expecting those MCQ questions in class.
MCQ questions in class. Ahmed, what is that book?
You mean Oswald?
Have you heard about that, Fatima? Oswald?
Yes.
You have the questions. You have the questions, okay? You have the questions. Don't say that, sir. We don't have questions.
But
Now-
sir, I don't have the book.
So you can get the book.
So we don't have to
I'll
go.
get it only in November last
Why? Why so late?
because my brother is going to India. He have to come back, right?
You don't get anything there. Okay, if I give you a PDF, if I get a
Oh.
PDF and give you that,
So we have the PDF.
wow. If you have the PDF, then what? मतलब इंडिया से कुछ और आएगा आपके लिए क्या?
That was
Not the-
Ahmed.
Sorry,
Ahmed have the PDF. I don't have.
I think he can share na. So I'm asking if you have the PDF, that would be fine. Yes, Fatima.
Yes, I'll forward that to them.
हाँ. No, fine. Okay. देखिए, see, आप तो क्लास में लेट आई है ना, so you don't know what happened. What is happening is that I told them that you put in some effort. You come when you will come with doubts, sir. In Oswald or in any book, for example, you have the NCERT exemplar also. You have NCERT exemplar, yes? All of you should have NCERT exemplar, yes or no? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Wow.
No, sir.
You have been Nishkar sir forwarded it to you na once long back.
Oh, that one we
एक
have.
जमाने में हाँ
Yes, sir, we have
that one है ना यही तो बोझ के दिन
Which one? Can
Yeah,
you
bro.
forward it again?
Ahmed, can you forward that also to Abhi?
So I have to
Arre,
search.
you will get all these books in the web, okay? Just Google. It is one Google search away. It is NCERT exemplar. Okay, NCERT exemplar. If you want books, I can give you so many. I have many books in PDF form also. I have many books. But वही है ना कि एग्जाम आपको ये तो याद नहीं रहता कि सर ने कौन सा बुक भेजा था, है ना? तो करने की तो दूर की बात है, अभी तो आपको याद भी नहीं है. You don't even remember. I have to translate everything because of Amalya. don't even remember what book I have sent. Okay. So please come back to the chemical reaction here. Okay. Step 1. In step 1, what is happening? Formation of carbocation. CH2 positive. Now in step 2, what is happening? You have the carbocation, CH2 positive, and plus you will get OH negative from the KOH, and then you will have the product OH. Okay. Now tell me, what is the molecularity here? What is the molecularity here in the step 1? This is an elementary reaction. Okay. This reaction, this is a complex reaction. This is a complex reaction. Now these steps, these are elementary. This is elementary step. This is also elementary step. Please have very clear idea about this. Okay. What is complex reaction? And don't get confused. Elementary bhi hai, complex bhi, it is elementary also, it is complex also. No, it's not like that. A complex reaction which is preceded by multi-step. All those steps in that complex reaction are elementary step. Please keep this in mind. NEET में एक सवाल आ गया तो हो जाएगा आप लोगों से. ठीक है. Step 1. Molecularity is 1 here. What about molecularity of the step 2? 2. Right. Now tell me, if I compare the step 1 and step 2, which is slowest, which is more slow? Step 1 and step 2. 1 is slow, right? 1 is slow, this is fast. Now we say, now, what do we say? The rate is determined. It is determined by fastest step or slowest step? Fastest step or slowest step? Fast. Anyone else? अब भूल गए आप लोग. Rate is determined by the slowest step, na? Fastest step is happening. That means we will have some of the reaction which some of the step 1 will be already there, na, to happen. This will complete faster. So slowest step determines the rate of reaction. If you remember, the example that I give generally is, you have, let us say you have 3 clothes. Okay. You have 3 clothes. One is t-shirt, one is shirt, and one is jeans. And at t is equal to 0, you put them in a wire or something to get it dry. Okay. I'm asking time taken. How much time will be taken? All of this takes, let us say, tell me, the time will be taken will be proportional, na, for the jeans to dry. Tell me, if I say
Yes.
this take 10 minutes, this take 10 minutes, and this take 30 minutes, then the total time taken to dry all of them will be how much?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, right? So the time taken, the rate of dryness depends on the one which is slowest to dry. The same way, the rate of reaction will depend, the rate is determined by the slowest step. I underlined fastest, and I was fast. Rate is determined by, do you guys remember now, by the slowest step. Rate is determined by the slowest step, and that is why the rate will be equal to, see, the rate constant will be something. Now, then you will have here, what is the reactant here? What is the reactant? Can somebody name it?
Yes, sir.
What will be the name of this reactant?
Iodotoluene.
Iodotoluene.
Toluene. Is that correct?
Iodotoluene, it can be happen. You can say iodotoluene, or you can also say it is iodomethyl benzene. You can also say iodomethyl benzene, or iodotoluene is also fine. Iodotoluene, no, it is not right. Sorry. Because it is not
Yes,
specifying, na? It
Yes.
is not specifying that the iodo is at where. So better thing is to write iodomethyl iodomethyl toluene. Okay, iodomethyl toluene. Whatever this reaction is, I have to write it small only to say this is A. It will be dependent on A. Okay, this will be dependent on A. And what will be the X here? The order. Rate is
Order.
determined by the slowest step. And please write the next line. The order of the slowest step is the molecularity of that step. Is the molecularity of that step. Now, that is why R will be equal to K into the concentration of A to the power 1. Why? Because the molecularity of the slowest step was 1. If this step 2 was slow, then the rate would be K, A, then B also. Now, this because this is A, this will be B now. Okay. K, A, and B you would have written, but it is not. Wait a second. To stop this and share this again. Yeah. Please complete this. We have determined the rate law equation, right? We have determined the rate law equation. Now you can determine the rate law equation if you have the chemical, the mechanism. If you have the mechanism, then you can determine it. Please write this first. Only Amalia is done. What about others? Abir, Ahmed, Fatima,
Yes, I'm
Mariam.
done. I'm done.
Done.
Mariam, Nazira.
So this is step, right? Of that step.
Yeah. Our boards. Do you mean term 1 or term 2?
Now we are studying term 2, right?
Yeah, we are studying term 2. We will be
We will
studying term
continue.
2. हाँ, so आपको नहीं पढ़ना है क्या term 2? Boards mean what? Your term 1 boards or term 2 boards?
Term 1.
Term 1. Yeah, I will be teaching term 2 only, na, because we have completed term 1. See, I am very happy to do the questions, but आप पहले लेके आइए, ठीक है? To come up with some questions. Will that be fine? No one is saying yes.
Yes, sir.
सर ऐसे ना आप ऐसे खिचड़ी बनाइए सर. खिचड़ी बनाने के बाद ना सर हम लोग आप दावत दीजिए और हम लोग आप खिलाइए भी. हम लोग खाएंगे भी नहीं खुद से. Sir, what happens when you are done teaching term 2? Okay. कोई आखिरी ख्वाहिश है आप लोगों की तो बताइए. If you have any last wishes, then tell me. For after term
Yes,
2, what
sir.
should happen? Yes, what is your आखिरी wish? Tell me.
You mean after term 2?
Yeah, Amalya is asking, sir, what happens when you are done teaching term 2?
Revision.
You will start studying, Amalya. That's what will happen. Okay, you'll start studying.
So there's like quick revision classes of 1 or 2 hours on YouTube.
Do you
Rapid.
gain
Rapid.
anything from there? Do you gain anything from
Oh,
there?
over there, most probably, because they are literally wasting our time by just talking, hi guys, follow karo, ye karo. Like
No,
that.
even if you
Like the
remove that
questions are
part,
kind of good.
so you have that, so you can try from there.
No, it is not available right now.
It's not available right now. So when did you see that? Okay, please come
Last
back.
year,
Alright,
I mean,
why you guys are so much worried? What I am asking here, like, if you will come even once with some good questions, na, sir, in Oswald, this is that question, or in exam idea, we have this question that I cannot solve, then I will start 1 hour lecture MCQs. Okay, but I need something from you guys first.
Sir, the problem
Yes,
is we are not used
Huh.
to studying without somebody teaching us. Like if you will tell me to study this, I will not study until you explain it to me. That's why we are
Huh?
asking you so many questions.
So I have to explain everything now.
Sir, but that is a long back, no.
You have to keep revising ना, long back तो फिर आपने किताब खोल के ही नहीं देखा क्या?
See, if
बताइए.
I go to watch a video, then it will be 3 hours for each
No,
class.
you don't have to watch the video. You don't have to watch the video. Okay, what you have to do, you will first of all study the notes. Okay, how much time will it take to study the notes? Tell me, Mariam. Solid state. Let's take solid state. Yes, Mariam. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
how much time will it take? In 1 day, you can complete solid state. At least studying. Tell me, Mariam.
Sir, but I have to
Just
study
solid
physics
state
also,
is
bio also, maths also.
So you have to separate 1 days ना, सब तो है ही, सब तो है, वो तो करना ही है. It's only there. You have to separate. You have to make slots. You have to stop wasting if you are wasting time somewhere else. Okay. Now, if you want me to give you a routine, that's not possible because none of you are equal, and obviously, no one is. I mean, you are not. Amal is like recording, chal rahi, it's fine. Recording, chal rahi, it's not like everyone will see that.
so like you don't have to give a schedule. Maybe you can just give some topics to us, and then we'll cover that up before next class, or maybe more.
Wait. आप लोगों को तो मतलब वही ना, वही तो हम कह रहे थे. Sir, you make some dish, then you call us. Then, sir, you make us eat that also. We will not do anything.
Sir, how about this? You give us a topic, we will study, and then you will, like in class, we will do questions related to the topic. But you will let us do first, and if we can't do, then you will do for us.
You become a salesman. Okay, saleswoman. है ना सर? एक और ऑफर सर आपके लिए सर.
So we are
ये नहीं
good
पसंद
at
आया सर आपको?
convincing, right?
See this. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we can.
Now, आपने ऐसे करके उठा लिया है ना? This is exam idea. Which of the following condition favors the existence of a substance in the solid state? Tell me. You don't need anything, okay, for this. Now, whenever you are asked about solid state, think about water, na? Think about water.
Option D.
Solid will have weak cohesive forces. Cohesive force, adhesive force, you have learned that in physics, na? Cohesive means force between the substance, I mean, between the species of same substance, right? Yes, Fatima, correct. See, acha, like this. Okay. Now, when you don't know the answer, you eliminate the options. Okay, you eliminate the options. Whenever solid, you will think about ice. Okay, that is because ice is
Sir,
something that you
low
will see.
temperature.
Yeah, exactly. So, can ice exist in higher temperature? No. Can
No.
ice exist in low temperature? Yes. Okay, but don't take it right now. Can ice exist in high thermal energy? No. Thermal energy means temperature only, no. Weak cohesive forces. Cohesive means the force between water molecule and water molecule, right? Adhesive means water molecule and something else. Okay, so Fevikwik is adhesive. That means it creates some force between two different surfaces. Weak cohesive forces, no. Water molecule should have strong cohesive forces. Option D. Okay, so you have to at least start like this. Now you have to at least start like this. Now when you study the solid state chapter, after that you can start doing these questions. Okay. There are many questions, okay, that you can start trying. If you have Oswald, then you can have that Oswald also. And if you have this exam idea, then you can have that exam idea also. Okay, but let me complete this class. है ना 5 बजे के बाद we will talk, okay, after 5 o'clock. Just let me complete this. Right, molecularity, differences between molecularity and order of reaction. Okay, molecularity and order. What is molecularity? It's total number of molecule, atom, or ion colliding in elementary step. Colliding in elementary step. Now, what about E? What about order? What is order? It is the sum of power of concentration terms in rate law. Now, as we have already seen, molecularity, we can look and tell, right? If we are given one elementary step, then we will look how many molecules are colliding in that elementary step, and then we can tell, yes, molecularity is this much. So that is why this is theoretical. What about order? Order is experimental. Order is experimental. Now, molecularity is not defined. See, it is defined only for elementary step or elementary reaction, right? So molecularity is not defined for complex reaction. Now, order is defined for all type of reaction, okay? Order is defined for all types of reaction. Acha, who is taking your physics, Mariam?
You mean class or tuition?
Not tuition, learning view.
Azam sir.
Azam sir. Azam sir करा रहे हैं MCQ.
हाँ.
Yeah.
He's
No,
revising.
sir, not really.
He is revising. He said he will start.
हाँ,
He
आपको हमसे
said he will start. He did not start.
But he will.
ना हमसे आप लोगों को मिल गया तो फिर आप लोग एकदम
Sir,
ये हो
sir,
जा रहे हैं ना.
sir, आप एक काम करो. आप भी इनको hope दे दो कि you say that you will start. Don't start until Azam sir.
No, sir, you don't be like him.
Right. So molecularity can never be. Now this is getting recorded.
Yes, it is.
I didn't say anything.
Molecularity can never be negative, zero, or fractional. Okay. Because there will be fractional. Because there will be at least one molecule that will be reacting, right? There will be at least one molecule that will be reacting. But what about order? Order can be negative, can be also zero. We have looked at zero order reactions, right? It can be positive and fractional. Okay, and fractional. Please write this fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is this reaction A2B2 giving 2AB. Okay, A2B2 giving 2AB. The mechanism is given as follows. You have A2, which is in equilibrium with two species that it makes A plus A. It makes what? A plus A. Then this A, it reacts with B2 and it forms AB and a molecule which is B. Then this A and this B, they make one more AB, right? So at the end, if I write the overall reaction, then I can erase these things, AA, right? And also B and B can be cancelled. So you will get the above reaction only, that is A2 plus B2 giving 2AB, right? But I need
Yes.
these, so I will just. Now they have also given the fast and slow. So this is fast, this is slow, this is also fast, right? This is also fast. Now from this, all these information, what I can say that, which is the rate determining step, the step 1, step 2, in the chat please, or step 3, which is rate determining step 1, 2, or 3. Which one is rate determining? Yes, correct, Ahmed, correct, Abid. Which step is rate determining step from the mechanism? What happened, others? Girls? Mariam, Amalia, Fatima? एक तो इतनी फिक्र है आप लोगों को, टर्म 1 की टर्म 2 खराब करेंगे क्या आप लोग? The rate is determined by slowest step, na? Tell me, step 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, what happened? Yes, Amalia, Fatima. You don't know, you don't understand this now? Mariam, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Which step is the rate determining step?
Second step.
Yes, Amalia, correct. Why weren't you saying? What about Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Which step?
Yeah, second.
So why didn't you write in the chat second step?
Oh, okay.
आप लोग उधर पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं क्या कि सर को कैसे कन्विंस करना है एमसीक्यू के लिए?
सर पॉलिटिक्स का छोड़ो, अर्जुन सर का आज क्लास है
हाँ, sir.
आज से. We just received a
WhatsApp
message.
group.
What?
Like it will start at 4:30.
And what is the time now?
Here it is 2:30.
Okay. All the best. Fair. Now it is step 2. So आप लोग सब वो मैसेज देख रहे थे. ठीक है. Please focus, okay, guys. Please focus.
Yes, I just
Second
completed my answer. So,
Second step is the rate determining step, but this is not complete now. We have to determine the rate law equation. Okay, we have to determine the rate law equation. So what will be the rate law equation? So this is the second step. So we can write now R is equal to
K.
K into the concentration of A, then the concentration of B2. Yes, but this is not right. Why this is not right? This is not right. Why? Because as we can see that this is okay, fine. We will write the R is equal to this equality sign is also fine. That's fine. This K is also fine because we have to put the rate constant. But what is this A? Is this a reactant?
No.
Is no, na? It is intermediate. says intermediate. And whenever you have intermediate will never come into the rate law equation. Why? Rate law equation gives you the relationship between the rate of the reaction and the concentration of the reactants. Okay, concentration of the reactants. Now we will never know now how much A will be formed in intermediate step. So what we have to do, we have to change this A and write this A in some terms where you have A2 also. So how will we do this? Please look very carefully. We have this reaction A2 giving A plus A. Now for this reaction, we can write the K equilibrium, right? We can write the K equilibrium. What will be the K equilibrium? K equilibrium will be equal to the A. These are 2A, right? So I can write A square divided by, I can write here the concentration of A2. Now, what I can write the next part? I can write also A2, or rather I can write A square is equal to K equilibrium into A2, right? I can write. Is everyone fine with this step till here? Is everyone okay?
Yes, I am.
Yes, okay. Now, what will be A? This will be under root K equilibrium and under root. So rather than under root, I am writing half. Okay. Now, we can substitute this value here and we can say R is equal to K into root of K equilibrium, concentration of A2 power half, and the concentration of B2. Now, this is also a rate constant. This is also a constant. This is also a constant. So we can write another, the complete constant. I can write it something like K dash will be A2 P power half and B2 power 1. This is rate. And the order will be, order is equal to how much? 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5. Okay, so this is a pretty simple question, right? Pretty simple question. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is K equilibrium. And see, this type of question, this conceptual type of question is asked in NEET. This was asked in NEET 17. Okay, recently only NEET 2017. So please complete this. So you guys have class now. So should I, you want to leave? You want
Sir,
to talk
we
about
have 1.5
MCQs?
hours. MCQ debate.
Okay, please complete this. Complete this. No. If you don't have classes now, I mean, your school classes are not there, then I can take 2 hours somewhere because I don't want to compromise with the term 2 syllabus. Okay. Physical chemistry, many people cry that physical chemistry has calculations.
Sir, how this K became K raised to 1?
It's not K raised to 1, it is K dash. Okay. K dash.
Okay, sir.
If you're done. Amalia is done. Okay, everyone start.